Strictly fans were left sobbing tonight after discovering which couple was axed tonight after the spoiler was leaked online. With the quarter-final just around the corner, the competition was fierce as the celebs battled it out on the dance floor. Actor Will Mellor and pro-partner Nancy Shue lit up the room tonight with their Charleston, scoring a near-perfect 38 out of 40, seeing them soar to the top. Close behind them were Hamza Yassin and Jovita Gistal with 37 and Floriste and Vito Coppola and Molly Reinford and Carlos Ghosn with scores of 35. At the other end, however, were Ellie Taylor and Johannes Radebe, who failed to impress with their jive to Brown Eyed Girl. Sadly, Judge Craig Revel Horwood branded it lackluster and saw him score at just 5, with the pair scoring a total of just 25. Also only scoring a 5 from Craig was Helen Skelton, who scored just 29 with pro-partner Gorka Marquez. Following tonight's show, it didn't take long for the exit result to be leaked on Twitter as fans shared their reaction, and they weren't happy. One tweeted with 3 crying emojis, "My time spent voting 120 times was useful then." While another commented, #Strictly Spoiler actually sad to see this couple go TBH. A third fumed, "Nah gutted man. So angry at the #Strictly Spoiler," another raged. The #Strictly Spoiler is almost worse than Matt winning I'm a Celeb. Devastated. My 2 faves, another tweeted. It comes as Strictly's quarter-final is moved to a Friday for the first time ever next week. The BBC show will not be airing next weekend as usual to make way for the World Cup. The semi-final will also not be airing on a Saturday, but on Sunday 11 instead. Strictly returns tomorrow on BBC One.